Welcome back to Full Stack Automation with Ruby. Again, I'm Rich Downey, and in the last video we took a look at sending our test results to QCub, and we did a bit of a no-no in that video. So we had our QCub API key right in our code base here, which we don't want to do that and share that with the world and when we push it up to GitHub. So we can use this .env gem that I prefer. So to get that added and set it up, first we'll remove our key here, and we'll add a new environment variable, and we'll call it QCub API key. So now we need to create a .env file. So in Vim we can just do .env in our root here, and let's do QCub API equals, and we'll paste in our key there. Save that. Make sure it's in there. Okay, we're all set here. So now our code points to our environment variable QCub API with the value in there. So we need to install this gem and get that wired up. So to do that, you simply add gem.env, and we install, and then in our env.rb we need to require the gem again. So there's one other piece we need to load this file that we just created, the .env file. So dot m.load, and we'll just do that. Okay, so this should work now. We can check and see what our last test run was about, let's see, 23 minutes ago. So if we now run Cucumber features API and our counts feature, our test passes here locally, but we want to share that. So if we refresh, we see the result is still working, and we no longer have the key directly in our code. So let's have a look. We're also going to want to add the .env to .getignore, so we can update. We'll just put and let's do .env. So we're all set. We're no longer sharing our key. There's one other thing we can do here if we don't want to send results for everything. So if we're working locally on new scenarios, we don't want to be sending those tests up until it's ready for the build. So to skip that, we could do a conditional here. If env, I don't know, let's just do something simple. QCub or env.c, so we don't have to type as much. Then we can send results. We can point our environment variable to the key, and now we'll get sent up with our QCub gem to QCub. So let's run it without that added environment variable. Let's see, refresh here. We have a 2 minutes ago, and run that again, and we should not be seeing results, right? Okay, so we can do this with c equals true, or QCub equals true. Then we will see the results, and we can add this to our Jenkins server or wherever we're running builds, so that results are getting sent to QCub. So if we refresh, now we're getting those again. Let's do the shortcut one. Get a pass, and if we go back, still see it less than a minute ago. So yeah, we're getting those with both those environment variables. So that's it. Thanks for watching.